Okay, it says beer. I don't know if this old tree's still producing. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Welcome to Rivers and Coffee. Today we're going to try something totally new. Usually by now I've already been out on the side with some flowing water with a hot cup of coffee, finding some peace. But today, this afternoon, I've been asked to leave the house because apparently there's a gathering and I'm not the right gender to attend. You don't have to ask me twice because I know where there's some flowing water. We're in southeast Michigan today and we're going to set up on the banks of the Kearsley Creek. We're going to cook ourselves a little lunch, and if I can find a beer tree, we're going to have a cold beer to go with it. Thanks for joining me today. Uh-oh. Well, that doesn't look too good. I think I can make it. My hops aren't quite what they used to be. Let's give it a try. Okay. Whew. All right. Well, we made it, but I certainly wouldn't advise doing that. Let's go see if we can't find that beer tree set up and cook ourselves a little lunch. Nope, that's not it. Well, there's one. Boy, looks like it's seen its better days. Okay, it says beer. I don't know if this old tree's still producing. Let's go ahead and give it a try. I'm not sure I want to put my hand in there, but I'm going to do it anyway. All right. Oh. Oh. Okay. All right. Bell's Lighthearted Ale. That's going to work just fine. Let's go ahead, set up by the stream, and make ourselves a little lunch. Okay, we're all set up. We found a beautiful little spot on the side of the stream. We're going to cook a couple of chili dogs this afternoon, something I probably couldn't get away with having at home. We're going to have that with this ice cold beer. So I'm going to go ahead and fire this up, get those chili dogs going, and crack this beer open. Get those hot dogs started. And I brought a little chili to put on top, along with a few onions. Okay, the hot dogs are cooking up pretty nice. I think what I'll do is I'll just move those to the side and put the chili right on there and warm that up. Oh yeah. Boy, that sure looks like it's hot enough. Just give it a try. Oh yeah. That's plenty hot. Okay, I think we're ready to go. Put a few onions on there. Oh yeah. Oh, perfect. Okay, let's give it a try. Mmm. Oh yeah. Cheers. Well, that sure was a lot of fun. I'm all cleaned up and ready to slip on out of here. The chili dogs were excellent. The beer was cold and free. I don't mind getting kicked out of the house anytime. Remember, take some time for yourself, get outside, find a little peace. Everybody deserves a little peace in their life. Until next time, Rivers and Coffee, and I guess once in a while a beer. Stay in peace. Oh, and remember, if you like the content, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and let's go find a little flowing water together. Stay in peace, Rivers and Coffee. Now, where was that beer tree? Well, I bet you there's still a beer in there. Well, I'm gonna put my hand in there. Hopefully this won't be my last video.